New GST tax break, Canada-wide effective December 14th. EW GST tax break Canada. Starting this Saturday, December 14th, 2024, Canadians will enjoy a temporary goods and services tax, GST, and harmonized sales tax, HST, break on select essential goods. This two-month tax holiday, introduced under Bill C-78, is part of the Liberal government's effort to provide financial relief during the winter months. The tax exemption will remain in effect until February 15, 2025, and here's everything you need to know about this initiative. Table of contents. What is the Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time holiday? Key conditions for Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time relief. Categories and items eligible for Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time relief. Impact on restaurants and food establishments. How does this affect retailers and consumers? Frequently asked questions FAQs. What is the Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time holiday? The Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time holiday is a temporary tax exemption aimed at reducing the financial burden on Canadians by eliminating Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time charges on specific goods and services. Bill C-78, the legislation enabling this tax break, was approved by the Senate and received royal assent on December 12, 2024. This measure covers a wide range of essential goods, from prepared meals to children's clothing, providing a much-needed financial respite for households across the country. Key conditions for Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time relief. To qualify for the Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time exemption during the eligible period, certain conditions must be met. Payment in full. The item must be fully paid for between December 14th, 2024 and February 15th, 2025. Partial payments made before December 14th, 2024 are eligible if the remaining balance is paid in full during the tax break period. Delivery requirement. The item must be delivered or made available to the buyer within the tax holiday period. For shipped items, delivery is considered complete when the item is handed over to a courier or common carrier. Imported goods. Imported goods also qualify for the tax relief, provided they meet the above conditions. Categories and items eligible for Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time relief. The tax break applies to a range of goods and services, with detailed guidelines provided for each category. 1. Food and beverages. Eligible items. Prepared foods. Sandwiches, salads, cheese platters, pre-made meals. Snacks. Chips, candy, baked goods, granola bars. Beverages. Coffee, tea, juices, carbonated drinks, smoothies. Alcoholic beverages. Beer, cider, wine, and pre-mixed drinks with alcohol content under 22.9% ABV. Ineligible items. Dietary supplements, cannabis-infused food or drinks, beverages sold from vending machines. Examples of dietary supplements include vitamins and minerals, such as multivitamin products, protein isolate powder, energy shots or wellness shots, detox and cleanse products, fiber mixes and supplements, herbal supplements, high-alcohol spirits, liqueurs, and cocktails containing non-eligible ingredients. 2. Children's clothing and footwear. Eligible items. Baby clothes, bibs, and blankets. Children's clothing sizes XS to L, including socks, hats, scarves, and gloves. Footwear with an insole length of 24.25 centimeters or less. Ineligible items. Specialized sportswear, costumes, jewelry, and adult clothing. 3. Children's diapers. Eligible items. Cloth or disposable diapers, diaper inserts, training pants, rubber pants. Ineligible items. Adult diapers, incontinence products, and diapers provided as part of a service. 4. Children's car seats. Eligible items. Car seats and booster seats meeting Canada Motor Vehicle Safety Standards. Ineligible items. Car seats that do not meet safety standards and travel systems. 5. Children's toys. Eligible items. Board games, card games, and traditional toys. Art supplies marketed as toys. Ineligible items. Games and toys that don't meet the requirements above. Collectibles that are not intended for play or learning, such as hockey cards or collectible dolls. Toys and model sets that are marketed for adults, for example, adult Lego or train sets. 6. Video game consoles, controllers, and physical video games. These items qualify as video game consoles, controllers, and games. Game consoles designed primarily for playing video games. Controllers designed primarily for playing video games on a qualifying video game console. Physical video games. In a tangible format designed for the read-only storage of information in digital format that contains a video game designed for use with a qualifying video game console, for example, game cartridges. These items would not qualify. Downloadable or online-only games. Other gaming accessories, such as chairs and headsets. 7. Physical books. These items qualify as physical books. Most published, printed books, hardcover or softcover. Updates of printed books. Guidebooks, and atlases that do not mostly contain street or road maps. Magazines and periodicals that have no more than 5% of their printed space devoted to advertising, supplied by subscription, if all the consideration is paid during the relief period and only for those magazines or periodicals that are delivered during the relief period. Physical audio recordings of printed books. If 90% or more of the recording is a spoken reading of a printed book, including abridged versions, for example, a cassette compact disc or reel-to-reel tape version of a published book. Physical recordings of a performance of a published play. Bound or unbound printed versions of scripture of any religion, such as the Quran, the Bible, prayer books, missals, hymn books, and Torah scrolls. Illustrated versions of religious scriptures, for example, comic book versions. Printed books that are wrapped or packaged for sale as a single item with a physical read-only medium that is made up of either a reproduction of the printed book or material that makes specific reference to the printed book. These items would not qualify. E-books, downloadable audiobooks, and e-audiobooks. Magazines and periodicals that are not purchased by subscription or that have more than 5% of their printed space devoted to advertising. Books designed primarily for writing on, such as address books, diaries, journals, and notebooks. Coloring books, scrapbooks, sticker books, sketchbooks and albums for photographs, stamps or coins. Brochures, pamphlets, catalogs and advertising material. Warranty booklets and owner's manuals. Agendas and calendars. Certain directories and collections of street or road maps. Cutout and press-out books. Collections of patterns, stencils, or blueprints. Programs for events or performances. Rate books. Recordings of performances of musical scores. Recordings of unpublished manuscripts. CDROMS DVDs and Blu-ray discs with textual or visual information. 8. Printed newspapers. A qualifying newspaper is a printed newspaper that contains news, editorials, feature stories, or other information of interest to the general public. Is published at regular intervals, usually daily, weekly, or monthly. These items would not qualify. Electronic and digital publications. Flyers. Inserts. Magazines. Periodicals. Shoppers. 9. Christmas and similar decorative trees. Christmas trees and similar decorative trees qualify, including natural trees, artificial trees, Hanukkah trees, or bushes. These items do not qualify. Decorations for a Christmas tree or other decorative tree. Holiday-related decorations that are not in the physical form of a tree. For example, Christmas tree-themed decorations for a wall. Poinsettia plants. Mistletoe. Wreaths. Impact on restaurants and food establishments. Restaurants, food trucks, and other eating establishments will also participate in the Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time holiday. Key points. Prepared meals and eligible beverages are tax-free during the period. Mandatory tips included in the bill are also GST/HST exempt. Delivery services billed directly by restaurants qualify for the tax relief, but third-party delivery platform fees do not. Examples: a burger and soda ordered from a restaurant qualify for the tax break. Cocktails containing only eligible ingredients, e.g., beer and juice, qualify, but cocktails mixed with spirits or liqueurs do not. How does this affect retailers and consumers? Retailers are required to update their systems to ensure Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time is not charged on eligible items during the specified period. Items purchased in bulk or as part of a supply chain transaction, e.g., manufacturer to retailer, also qualify. Consumers. Shoppers will benefit from reduced costs on essential goods. Receipts must clearly reflect the Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time exemption. The Gulf Standard Time/Hawaii Standard Time holiday is a welcome financial relief for Canadians during the winter months, offering savings on essential goods and meals. From children's clothing to prepared meals and beverages, this temporary measure is expected to alleviate some of the financial pressures on households. Make sure to plan your purchases and take advantage of this tax break while it lasts from December 14th, 2024 to February 15th, 2025.
Thanks for watching our video. Please hit the button and subscribe the channel.